Alright guys, so I did qualify, I did practice, I kind of put that out just to kind of make the video a little shorter. This is definitely a smaller track. Also, happy Memorial Day. This video will be coming on Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. I'd say we should be having some more content come out. Probably have a jet ski video come out, hopefully, because Memorial Day should be jet skiing and stuff, so we should have some nice, fresh, real content, not this freaking game shit. Like I said, I like it because it kind of helps me just practice racing, and I like it. But, you know, I don't like this being my own content. It's not my most enjoyable content, so. Nice, I didn't buy the PC just for this. Like, this is one of the biggest reasons, but one of the bigger reasons is editing. Editing was sucked with my other computer. So, build this, at least I can edit videos, I can at least make something really good for you guys eventually. I'm gonna play around with editing more, so now I'm able to play with editing more, so I actually learn how to make a really good edit and everything like that. So, that's one thing cool. But let's get into the race stuff. I think the race car should be coming off, I think, this lap, right? I think it should be. So we're going to get this, yeah. So let's get focused and let's get in the race and hopefully let's take home a win.
Pace car is off. Green, green, green. Inside.
I forgot that. I told you, this track is very short. I forgot all about it. I keep doing that.
Clear inside.
You just gotta go right to the brake. You gotta hit the gas and then hit the brake literally like 2 seconds later.
Outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Let's go 3 wide, everybody. Or you can cut me off. Go ahead. I'll cut. Oh, I go up.
There, hold your line.
He's not there anymore.
Car inside.
It's like a little demolition derby, to be honest.
Clear.
Enough for one car at.
Outside. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Wow, even with the skid. Even with that little skid I did.
Keep low.
He is right on my left. I know he is. Yep, there he is.
Clear.
I'm gonna cut him off a little bit there, and I'm gonna let. Yeah, I'm skidding out right there. I'm hitting it a little too short.
Inside. Still there, hold your line.
I'm holding.
Still there, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Clear inside.
Oh, he nipped my rear end. Oh, hell to the no.
The leader is coming up on you. They're not at line.
Oh, hell, oh, it's my fight.
The leader is running 16.931.
It is my fight. I should be right there. That's why.
Inside.
Oh, leader, you just freaking waxed me.
Still there, inside.
You're being
Clear
aggressive,
inside.
aren't you?
Car inside.
I know, I feel you.
Still there, inside. Clear. Car inside. Still there.
Oh, he's still there.
Still there. Clear inside. Inside. Stay high. Clear. Car inside. Clear. Car inside.
I'm using him as my little bumper there, but I.
Still there at the bottom. Clear. Inside.
Damn you, leader! You push him into me.
Still there at the bottom. Clear.
Oh, now we got the whole pack coming in.
Inside. Still inside. Clear. Car inside. Still there.
Get around this guy. Oh,
Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Still inside. Clear.
let's go. Come on.
The leader is running 17.46.
Alright, I think I got brakes a little sooner. Alright, I think these guys are the ones I need to be lapping here. I think. Oops, I hit the brakes.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 3.5 seconds. That was your fastest lap of the session. Car outside, keep low. Clear up top. Car 6 is now leading. You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 2 seconds. The leader just did a 18.214.
Well, I'm doing 17 right now, so I gotta be catching up to him. Well, actually, no, he's one lap ahead of me, actually, so.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 3.3 seconds. Car outside, stay low. There is a car on the high side. You've set your fastest lap of the session. Clear up top. Car outside.
Go 3 wide there, but I was gonna go 3 wide there, but it was a little too risky.
Outside, clear. Inside. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. Still there at the bottom. Still there,
Just
hold
passed
your
2
line.
cars.
Clear inside.
But I just didn't help.
Outside.
I guess we're going through some lap traffic now, because that guy's going way slower than what. Oh, we're in 8th position at least. I don't know, I forgot what position we started in. Comment down below what position we started in, actually, because I have no idea even what position we started in.
The leader is running 17.42. You're pulling away from the car behind.
I'm doing the same time.
2.1 seconds. Outside. Clear high.
I can at least I'm at least lapping the oh, I was. Oh shit you, dude. Shit you. Get out of my way, you. I'm gonna go 3 wide on you guys in a second.
Car inside. Keep high. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Still there. Clear outside. 2 wide. Stay high. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Hold your line.
I am trying to at least. I have to go 3 wide to get in front of him.
Inside. 2 wide.
So at least I'm on the same lap as the leader now. I am at least on the same lap as the leader. I think that was the leader. I'm assuming that was the leader. That looked like the one that had passed me originally a while ago.
The leader is running 17.35.
Alright, well guess what? I'm running 17 sevens right now, but I was running 17. So.
Inside. Clear. Inside. Clear. Great job. There to go. Car inside. Clear. Inside.
Oh.
Still there. Hold your
Oh,
line.
hell no.
Clear inside.
Oh, you did not just hit me.
Car inside. Keep high. Clear. You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 3.8 seconds. Car inside. Clear.
Oh, you
Clear.
son of a bitch.
6.668. 5 laps to go. Outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
I know, I see that.
Stay low. Still there. Hold your line. Clear up top. Two more. Let's go.
We were gaining on the one guy. I'll be 100 honest, you guys. My freaking arm, my
You're
shoulder
losing on the car
muscles.
in front. The gap is 6.3 seconds. You just got the white flag. That means one more lap to go. Inside. Still there. Hold your line. Clear. Inside. Still there at the bottom. Clear.
That should have been a checkered
All
flag.
right. There's the checkered flag. Great job. You did really well.
My God. Sorry, I had to hit somebody. I was upset.
We got damage on the front end.
Yep, I did that on purpose, so you know.
Box in 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Right here. Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in.
alright. Alright, my ass, my shoulder. Alright, I gotta get editing these videos now, everybody. So, listen, I hope you guys enjoy the videos. I know these are probably a little half-ass race videos, but I just had to make these just in case. I gotta get videos out. So, if you guys enjoy the videos, please leave a like down below. Comment down below. I don't know. Comment down below what you guys, I don't know, what you guys want to see on the channel. Anything. Let me know anything you want to see on the channel. Just comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow dreams. Don't let it get in your way. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.